Why does Black criticize the notion of axial period? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage mentions that Black disputes any notion of axial period because the change was not rapid enough and did not involve a high number of cultures. Also note that the highlighted text period is included inside quote, so Black particularly objects to the period notion of axial period. In other words, Black believes that because the change was not rapid enough, there cannot be a period that would define that change. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. So let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the change brought was too gradual to signify a particular time span. Yes, this is the thought implied here. The quotes around the word period indicates that Black objects to the time notion implied in the term axial period, and he believes so because the change was not rapid enough, and he reasons that because the change was gradual, there cannot be a period that would signify this change. Answer choice A correctly captures this thought. Let's keep this on hold. Contribution to moral behavior was not as much as contribution to social structure. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage makes no suggestion regarding contribution to moral behavior or social structure. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, the change was limited to societies in certain geographies. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that the change did not involve a high number of cultures. So it is true that the change was limited to societies in certain geographies, but Black's objection is particularly to the aspect of period, and this answer choice does not correctly capture the idea of objection to period. This is a good answer choice, but in comparison to answer choice A, it is not as close to the intended meaning as answer choice A is. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, lack of universal acceptance about dates. The passage doesn't mention this aspect in discussion related to the highlighted text. Also, the passage mentions that axial period was around 800 BC to 200 BC, and the passage doesn't indicate any lack of universal acceptance about these dates. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, the period did not bring about advancement in social complexity. The second paragraph mentions that Black believes that the period saw advancement in social complexity. So it is incorrect to say that the period did not bring about this advancement. Let's eliminate this answer choice. A is the correct answer.